Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Milan. In today's video, I'm gonna tackle another challenging SAT exam question. Without further ado, let's get started. We have function f, which is 4x squared plus 64x plus 262, and the function g, which is defined by f of x plus 5. For what value of x does g of x reach its minimum? Okay. So in order to find the function of g of x, we need to substitute x plus 5 in the equation of f of x. So we have 4x squared. So instead of x, we're gonna substitute x plus 5. So x plus 5 squared plus 60x. So the same story, substitute x plus 5 into the equation, plus 262. And now I'm gonna simplify this equation. So this is the perfect square. The answer is x squared plus 5 squared, which is 25, and 2y's the product of x and 5, which is 10x. And then multiply 64 according to distributive law by x plus 5. And 262. We need more simplification. 4x squared plus 100 plus 40x. And then collect like terms. 40 plus 64 is 104x. And these constant, the sum of them is 2, 8, and 6. Okay, this is function g. So far, so good. And now we are going to find the value of x, which is the minimum of function g. Before this, I'm going to talk a little bit about the parabola or quadratic function, which is in this form, the general form. In this form, the vertex or a turning point of this parabola is h and k. You can rewrite this function as a times x minus h squared plus k. In this form, the vertex is h and k. But you need to use completing the square for writing the function in this form. But when you have this form, the general form, you can find the vertex using this formula. For x, you can use this formula, negative b over 2a. And for k, you just need to substitute this into the equation. Okay, and then we know that if the parabola is upward opening, something like that, this is the vertex, and in this point we have minimum. And for this type of parabola, when it is upward opening, a is a positive number. But if a is a negative number, we have downward opening parabola when this is vertex, and you can see we have maximum point. Okay, and in this question we are going to talk about minimum value. Okay, so for this one, so we are talking about this scenario. For finding the minimum, we need to find the vertex. Okay, so x of vertex is negative b over 2a. And in this case, we know that g of x was 4x squared, let me check, yes, plus 104x plus 682. Okay, and here is A and here is B. A and B. So we just need to substitute these values into this formula. Negative B is negative 104, and 2 times 4 is 8, which gives us negative 1, 3, negative 13. So the x of vertex is negative 3, which is the x value of the minimum. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.